In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change weather temperature unit to Celsius or Fahrenheit on iPhone. So I'm starting on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings opens up, I'm just going to scroll down through the menu until I find Apps. You may need to go a little farther down the page depending on where you are, so just keep scrolling until you see it. As soon as Apps appears, I'm going to tap on that. Now I'm inside the Apps section, and from here I need to find Weather. Since the apps are listed alphabetically, I'm going to scroll down until I get to the W section. I'm just moving through the list looking for weather, and once I find it, I'll tap on it to open the settings for that app. Now that I'm in the weather settings, this is where I can change the temperature unit on my iPhone. So at this point, I'm looking for the temperature unit setting, and here I can choose between Celsius, Fahrenheit, or use system settings. This is the part where you simply pick the option you want. If you want to set the weather app to Celsius, just tap on Celsius. Once that's selected, the weather app will use Celsius as the temperature unit. If you want to switch it to Fahrenheit instead, then tap on Fahrenheit and that becomes the active setting. And if you'd rather have the weather app follow the phone's overall system settings, then you can choose the option to use system settings. So really this part is very straightforward. I'm just choosing the unit I want from the available options. There's no extra setup here, and there's no save button I need to press after making the change. As soon as I tap the option I want, that selection is applied right away. I'll just go over the full path again while I'm here so it's easy to follow. We opened settings, then scrolled down and tapped on apps. After that we found and opened weather. And once we got into the weather settings, we changed the temperature unit by choosing Celsius, Fahrenheit, or use system settings depending on what we wanted. If you're following along with me on your own iPhone, just take your time while scrolling through the apps list because that's usually the only part that takes a little longer. Once you get to weather, the rest is quick. You just open the app settings and choose the temperature unit that works best for you. So I'm still on the weather settings page right now, and I can quickly check that the option I selected is the one that's now active. Usually there's an indicator beside the current choice, so that makes it easy to confirm whether you're set to Celsius, Fahrenheit, or system settings before you leave the page. Once that's done, you can simply back out of settings or close the app completely, and your temperature unit change will already be applied. If you ever want to switch it again later, you can come back to this same place and choose a different option the exact same way. So that's how to change weather temperature unit to Celsius or Fahrenheit on iPhone. Just open settings, go to apps, tap on weather, and then choose Celsius, Fahrenheit, or use system settings. That's the whole process, and once you know where the option is, it only takes a moment to change.